The New Zealand economy grew by 0.6% in the December quarter 2018. Annual growth is at 2.8%. This continues the moderation that we have been seeing since December quarter 2016. Growth in this quarter was driven by the services sector, which was up 0.9%, reflecting positive results across the majority of industries. And in particular, we saw retail, trade and accommodation leading the way, with higher activity across restaurants and bars. We also saw strength in transport services, driven by road and rail transport. Our goods producing industries rose marginally this quarter, up 0.2%. The construction industry grew by 1.8%, the strongest growth since September quarter 2017. Here we saw healthy results in both residential and non-residential construction. Offsetting this were falls in manufacturing and electricity, gas, waste and water services. These were down 0.4% and 1.1% respectively. Electricity is coming off high generation in the June quarter 2018, and this quarter we saw low lake levels. Looking at expenditure on goods and services, this measure of economic activity rose 0.5% this quarter and 2.8% annually. Strength in household spending, which rose 1.3%, was in line with growth in the service industries. We saw households spending more on groceries and eating out more this quarter. Investment spending increased 1.4% after 2 consecutive quarters of decline. These increases in residential and non-residential construction activity contributed to this rise, along with higher investment in software, exploration, and plant machinery and equipment this quarter.